and welcome back to Learning English is Easy, the podcast where learning English is fun and simple. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us again.
Before we start, we have a little question for you. We're always very curious to know where our listeners are from.
Yes, tell us in the comments below. Where are you listening from? We love reading your answers and seeing how many countries join us every week.
Absolutely. It's amazing to know that people from all over the world are learning English together.
Okay, before we begin today's fun topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learning English is Easy.
Yes, and please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English too. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for your support. So, Anna, what's today's topic?
Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, hobbies.
Oh, perfect. I have a lot of those.
I know you do. And today, we're not only talking about hobbies, but also about how to explain why you love them.
Ah, that's great. So we'll learn how to give our opinions about hobbies. Easy phrases like, I love it because, or it makes me feel.
Exactly. These are called opinion starters. They help you explain what you think and feel in English.
That sounds fun. So, Anna, what's your favorite hobby?
I think my favorite hobby is hiking. I love walking in nature and exploring new places.
Hiking. That's great. Why do you love it?
I love it because it helps me relax and forget about stress. It's also good exercise.
Perfect sentence. I love it because it helps me relax. That's a great opinion starter.
Yes, it's simple and natural. And you, Tom, what's your favorite hobby?
I think my favorite hobby is cooking. I love cooking because it's creative and relaxing.
Ooh, nice. What kind of food do you like to cook?
Mostly Italian food. Pasta, pizza, risotto, all the good stuff.
That's amazing. I love Italian food too. I love cooking too, but sometimes I forget ingredients.
I do that too. You start cooking and then realize you don't have salt.
Or garlic. That's the worst.
Definitely. But cooking is still fun. I enjoy it because it makes me feel happy and it's something I can share with other people.
That's a very nice reason. So listeners, try this. Think of one hobby you love and finish this sentence. I love it because...
For example, I love reading because it helps me learn new things. Or, I love music because it makes me feel good.
That's right. I love, I enjoy, it helps me, and it makes me feel. Those are great ways to talk about your hobbies and give opinions.
Let's practice a few more together. I'll say a hobby, and you tell me why you might love it. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Swimming.
I love swimming because it's refreshing and fun.
Perfect. How about reading?
I enjoy reading because I can travel to new worlds with my imagination.
Nice. Playing guitar.
I love playing guitar because music makes me feel free.
Great answers. You see, everyone can do it. You just need a hobby and one reason why you like it.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about some common hobbies and describe why people enjoy them.
Good idea. Let's start with sports.
Yes, sports are very popular hobbies. People like running, football, tennis, yoga, and more.
Right. I like running because it clears my mind. It helps me think.
I like yoga because it makes me calm and focused.
And I know many people love football because it's exciting and you can play with friends.
That's true. Team sports are great for meeting people and having fun together.
So, listeners, if you like sports, you can say, I enjoy football because it's exciting. Or, I love yoga because it helps me relax.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about artistic hobbies. Things like drawing, painting, photography, or playing an instrument.
I love photography. It helps me see beauty in small things.
That's beautiful, Tom. I also like taking pictures when I travel.
Yes, I love photography because it helps me remember good memories.
And for art, you can say, I enjoy painting because it's creative, or I love drawing because it's peaceful.
And I play the guitar because I love music.
Great. You can use I like, I love or I enjoy, they all work. But I love shows strong feelings.
And if you want to sound more natural, you can add expressions like, it's so much fun, or it makes me happy.
Yes, for example, I love dancing. It's so much fun.
That's a good one. Do you like dancing, Anna?
Oh, yes. I love dancing because it gives me energy. Even if I'm tired, when I hear music, I want to move.
That's great. I dance too, but only in my kitchen.
Kitchen dancing is the best kind of dancing.
True. So we can say, I like dancing because it makes me feel free, or I enjoy it because it's good exercise.
Very good examples. Okay, what about relaxing hobbies?
Oh, like watching movies, listening to music, or gardening?
Exactly. Those are hobbies that help you relax.
I enjoy watching movies because they're entertaining and help me forget about work.
I love listening to music because it changes my mood.
Right. Music can make you happy, calm, or even inspired.
And gardening, I love gardening because it's peaceful and you can see results. Plants grow and it feels good.
That's so true. Also, it's nice to be outside in nature.
Yes, so listeners, you can say things like, I enjoy watching movies because they're fun. I love gardening because it makes me feel calm. I like listening to music because it relaxes me.
Perfect examples. Now, let's talk about social hobbies, things we do with other people.
Like cooking with friends, playing games, or traveling together? Exactly. Those are great ways to connect with people.
I love traveling with friends because we laugh a lot and try new food.
I enjoy playing board games because it's fun and competitive.
And you can also say, I like spending time with my family because it makes me happy.
That's a very warm and natural sentence. So, we have different categories: active hobbies, creative hobbies, relaxing hobbies, and social hobbies.
Yes, and for each one, you can give a reason using opinion starters like, I love it because, it makes me feel, it helps me, I enjoy it because.
Those are great structures to memorize.
Let's try a little challenge, Tom. I'll say a hobby, and you tell me one reason why you like it.
Okay, let's do it. Reading.
I love reading because it helps me learn new ideas.
Excellent. Swimming.
I enjoy swimming because it's refreshing and fun.
Cooking.
I love cooking because I can be creative with food.
Perfect. Now your turn. Give me some hobbies.
Sure. Dancing,
I love dancing because it gives me energy.
painting,
I enjoy painting because it's relaxing.
gardening.
I love gardening because it makes me feel peaceful.
Very good. See, it's easy once you know the structure.
Yes. Now, what about hobbies you don't like?
Oh, good one. We can use I don't like or I'm not a big fan of.
Exactly. For example, I don't like running because it's tiring.
Or I'm not a big fan of video games because I prefer to be outside.
Perfect. And always give a reason. That makes your English sound complete.
And polite too. Saying I don't like with a reason sounds better than just I don't like it.
Very true. It shows personality and gives people something to talk about.
Speaking of that, sharing hobbies is a great way to make friends.
Yes! When you meet someone new, you can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
And you can answer, I like playing guitar, or I enjoy watching movies.
Exactly. It's one of the most common conversation topics in English.
And when someone says, I like hiking, you can reply, oh, really? Me too.
Or, that's interesting, I've never tried it.
Those short responses make the conversation friendly and natural.
Yes, they help you connect.
So let's teach our listeners some good conversation questions about hobbies.
Great idea. Here are a few. What do you like doing in your free time? What are your hobbies? Why do you enjoy that? How often do you do it?
Perfect. And for answers, you can use I love, I enjoy, I like, I do it every weekend, I do it after work.
Yes, and to give more detail, you can add words like because, it helps me, it makes me feel, or it's fun.
Exactly. So, for example, I enjoy painting because it makes me feel creative. Or, I like running because it helps me stay healthy.
Perfect structure.
Anna, let's share a few of our funny hobby stories.
Oh no, okay. You go first.
Well, I once tried knitting because my grandmother does it. I thought it would be relaxing. But after 1 hour, I had made something that looked like spaghetti mess.
That's adorable. But at least you tried.
Yes, and now I can say, I tried knitting, but it's not for me.
That's a good expression too. When you try a new hobby and don't like it, you can say, it's not for me.
Exactly. What about you, Anna?
I tried learning to play the drums once. I thought it would be easy, but I realized it's very loud. My neighbors were not happy.
Oh, yes, maybe not the best hobby for an apartment.
Probably not. But it was fun.
So even if you don't continue, hobbies are a great way to learn something new about yourself.
That's very true. And sometimes hobbies become your job one day.
Wow, yes. Many people start small, like taking photos for fun, and later become photographers.
Or they love baking and open a bakery.
That's inspiring.
So remember, everyone, hobbies are not just for fun. They help you grow, relax, and meet people.
That's the best part. And they give you so many new English words to learn.
Yes, every hobby has its own vocabulary. Music, sports, travel, food.
That's why talking about your hobbies is such good practice.
Exactly. You can start simple and add more detail as your English improves.
For example, I like painting. Then later you can say, I like painting landscapes because it's creative and peaceful.
Yes, that's a beautiful sentence.
Okay, Anna, let's review some of the key opinion starters we used today.
Sure, here we go. I like, I love, I enjoy, I'm interested in, it helps me, it makes me feel, I'm not a big fan of, it's not for me.
Excellent. With just these, you can have a full conversation about hobbies.
That's right. And remember, it's not about having the perfect grammar. It's about expressing yourself and having fun with English.
Exactly. So, to our listeners, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite hobby and why do you love it?
Write your answers in English. It's great practice, and we always enjoy reading them.
Yes, we really do. And don't forget to tell us where you're listening from, too.
We're always excited to see messages from all around the world.
So, if you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, Learning English is Easy, and share it with your friends.
Your support helps us create more fun and helpful English lessons for you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Don't forget to keep practicing and keep enjoying your hobbies.
Because learning English is just like a hobby. You get better every day when you love what you do.
Perfectly said.
Until next time,
Keep practicing.
and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.